Okay, so you've already done this before or watched a video on this before, so this should be fairly easy. So we're just going to go through this really quickly. So I take a highlighter and I highlight the ones where they have the characteristic, so they have it in common. Okay, so there we go. So then we go through and we look and we say, okay, placenta, let me get a pen here. Placenta, does it tell us anything? Well, it groups everybody together, so let's come back to that one. But if you look at hooves, that tells you camel, hippo, pig, rhino are together. So actually I'm going to start at the other side and where there are less of them that have them. So we look at four-hooved toes, we have hippo and pig. So we know that hippo and pig form a group with the four-hooved toes. The even number of hooved toes, we have camel, hippo, and pig. So now camel is part of that group. And then if you look at flippers, we have a manatee and a whale, and those form a group. Okay, and if you look at hooves, we have camel, hippo, pig, which we have already, and rhino. So if we add a rhino in, we've got a bigger group with our hooves. And then you can see with the placenta, everybody is together, except for the opossum, which is our outgroup. So once you have that arrangement, you can easily draw a tree. So you're going to say, okay, well, we've got hippo and pig, and then camel is right outside of that, so there's our camel, and rhino is right outside of that. And then we have a manatee and a whale that form a group, and then they're all together as a group. Okay, and then our opossum is our outgroup. All right, now keep in mind, you can do this tree sideways, you know, going out like this. You can do it diagonally, going like this. Any of those are equal, and all of the nodes can rotate, so make sure you're paying attention to that.